Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Maktoum. So in the last video we have completed with all the input types. Okay, so in this video using those all things we are going to prepare a registration form. Okay, so in the last video we did a simple form using those input types. I will show you what we did last time. So here you can see these are not aligned properly, those are attached here. So today we are going to design a registration form with a neat aligned form we are going to design. Okay, so for that let's start. Create a new file. I'll say it as register.html. Okay, get the structure of HTML. So change the title to registration form. Okay, yes. So in the body tag we'll put a heading that is registration. Okay, I said all the input types should be written inside form tag. Okay, for the alignment we are going to use the table. Okay, table. In the first row, the first item to be read is enter name. The next column will be input type, that is text. Name I will give it as text name, and there is something called as placeholder. Placeholder I will give enter your name. So what is this placeholder? Let's see. We'll execute it. So change the file name to register.html. So you can see here already there is inside the text box there is a caption that is enter your name. So this is nothing but a placeholder. So when I click on it, it will go. You can write the input. Okay. So this is about placeholder. And one more thing, when I run the page, it should automatically, the cursor should come in the first text box. For that we have autofocus. Okay, let's run it. You can see the cursor by default it is available in first text box, that is autofocus. Okay, this is in the first row. Next we'll go to the second row. In that first item I will say name, then enter mobile number, TD, input type number, name I will say text mobile, placeholder I will give mobile number, run it. So you can see it is aligned correctly, mobile number is there. Okay, then the next row, first item I will say gender. Okay, the next column input type radio. I said the name should be same, gender. I'll give the caption male. In the same TD I'll say another input type radio, name gender, female, run it. So those are like this, it will come in the same TD. Okay, if you want it down, so use break tag, so it will be like this. Okay, so this is about radio button. Then the next TR, okay, I will tell him to upload photo, The next td input type will be file. The name I'm going to give is photo. So you can see here, you can choose the file to be uploaded. Then the next td photo is done. Then date of birth. For date of birth we have an input type called as date. Input type is date. You can have a drop down calendar here. You can choose from the calendar, or else you can directly manually enter. Okay, this is about date of birth. Then participated in. Here I'm going to use checkbox. Input type checkbox. First I will say sports. I will use break tag here. Then I am going to use one more input type, checkbox, sports, cultural activities. Okay, then another break tag, both. Yes, so you can see, so you can select one or more than one also, you can select. This is checkbox. Then choose your favorite color. Choose your favorite color. For that we have input type color. Yes, then anything else we left out here? Yes, I think it's sufficient. Oh no, still two more things are there. So I will ask him to enter email. Input type is email, and here placeholder I will give email. One more I will ask, that is a password. Enter password. For that I will ask, input type will be password. So placeholder we will give enter password. Okay, then we are going to give two buttons. That is, first one is submit. Input type submit. Value you can give value submit. Sorry, here it is break tag. One more input type I will use, that is a reset. You can use value to reset. So you can see here, I'll use one more break tag. Yes, I hope I'm clear with this. So this is a normal generate normal registration form. So here to pass these values to the next page, we need to learn about PHP, but now we are still learning HTML. So now what we will do is when I click on submit, it will go to a new HTML page and it will say welcome. How to do it? So for that, I'll create one more page, welcome.html. Here I will simply say welcome. So where is that register.html? Okay, here in the action attribute, you say welcome.html. So remember here method you're going to give it as post. Okay, else it will take by default get. So now you reload it. Now provide the input. So you can see here when I click on submit, it went to welcome.html. I hope I'm clear with this. So this is how we are going to connect the pages. You already know. So from the next video we are going to start with PHP. Actually we are supposed to discuss about CSS. CSS will take it at last. So please be connected and subscribe my channel to learn the PHP. It is very important PHP to connect to your HTML, and we can give the database connectivity. Everything we can learn with PHP. So this is all about this video. Thank you.